Welcome to Java Forum. Now I'm going to show you how to add application to favorites or dash in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8. So here you can see this is the favorites bar, which is similar to Windows taskbar. You can add or remove the applications to the this favorites bar. Okay, so let me go to show applications. So here you can see a lot of applications are there. We can add to the favorites by a right click, add to favorite. That's it. So let me add the videos, add to favorites. Let me go to utilities. I am add calculator to favorites. System monitor. I am dragging drop system monitor. So you can also drag and drop like this. So this feature is similar to the Windows taskbar, so that you can launch the applications quickly without going to its location, just by a single click. Let me launch the calculator. Yes, working. Let me launch system monitor. Let me launch videos. Yes. So like this, you can launch the applications or access the application quickly. So this is the usage of favorites bar or dash. So I can also remove the applications by just right clicking, remove from favorites. That's it. Right click, remove from favorites. So make use of this feature so that you can access the applications quickly by adding it to the favorites bar in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8 operating system.